Hello guys, welcome back to our intraday stock selections like usual. So today's stock trading, I took some trades but which were not suggested on yesterday's live stream, but let's see. Hope we get today's trade. Most of them didn't work out. I took few book trades, not real trades. It went accordingly, but I was hoping for a pullback, but I didn't get that pullback. I got this move here. I realized it will fall down from here. I got some move over here. Then there's one more in B's. Was it BPCL or no? BHL mostly. Yeah, this move here. These were the two trades, but sadly I traded in something else. These were book trades which I didn't take a trade, but these were successful. So for tomorrow, first thing we'll go for Wipro. So Wipro, you can see descending triangle. This is the second time it's forming a descending triangle. Here also it had formed a descending triangle like this. Then it gave a false breakout here and came breakout on the higher side. Even now, if it goes low, be careful. This is a strong resistance. Usually you can see this is one of the traps. So let's see if it's breaking out on the higher side, it will be a good target. Our first target will be 608, second target will be 612. That's around 1.1% and 1.7% second target on a breakout side. If it's a gap up, wait for consolidation, then go long or short. First 15 minutes ignore. Usually that's what happened over here. I was hoping for a good breakout on the lower side, but it didn't happen. Let's not dwell on the past, but remember our mistakes, what we have done all the time. So this is one of the chart pattern trading and 15-minute time frame. Go to 5-minute time frame, find for any signals, then take a longer short position. Then next we have Grasim. It's a symmetrical triangle, but this trend line it's following from little bit longer than previously. This was in just one day, so tomorrow it could just consolidate again. There's not possible breakout, but let's see if there is a small breakout, we can get this target. It's a small target, around 1% on a higher side. Lower side will get 1.2%. It's a small 1% target on both the sides if it breaks out. So let's see Grasim for tomorrow. Then we have Airtel. Most of them are triangles today. Bharti Airtel. And this was consolidating from past 2 days. Looks like a flag pattern as well. A flag. This is a pole. So our target according to this pattern should be huge. If it breaks out on the higher side, breaks out on the lower side, you can take this as a target. So that will be around 3%. We can't expect 3% move, so let's not keep our hopes up. We'll take 1% on both the sides. Around 1.5% is good enough. And Bharti Airtel, if you see larger time frame, it has given a breakout on the higher side to go higher. Like after consolidating for so long, it has given a breakout, so there's a good opportunity to go long. Then depending on the market right now, most of them are telling that the market is very overvalued. So let's hope the market gets good correction and nobody gets stuck in it. Right now, even CEO of Zerodha has told market is overvalued right now. They are giving indications for a big correction coming up. Right now, it has been consolidating for long. So next we can see for a trend reversal. Here, as you can see, this is at the all-time high right now. So higher side could be a good breakout. If it is strong and has very huge volume, you can go long, but mostly you can go short. So let's see what happens. It's Bharti Airtel in 15-minute time frame. We have a triangle. Even here we had a triangle few days back. This was even during the result day. Sadly, my stop loss got hit. I put a tight stop loss, it was hit. Then I saw the breakout again. I was not mentally ready, so I just ignored it and regretted for the rest of the day. So we still have Bharti Airtel for tomorrow. Then we have Madhusumi. Okay, why did I tell this? It's in a channel right now. It's at the bottom of the channel. So tomorrow, if the price go low to this level again, somewhere in this range, you can expect a double bottom forming and a reversal pattern over here. Take a trade somewhere here when it goes up, put a stop loss below this wick, then trail your stop loss, because on a larger time frame also somewhere near the support, even in 1 hour time frame and a daily chart as well, it's in this range. If you see a daily time frame chart, if you see the candle, it has formed a doji right now, very indecisive candle after a big red candle. If there is any chance of a good up move, then there are a lot of things. So I can explain by showing you other what do you call it, indicators, or I could just tell you tomorrow if there could be a possibility of a good green candle. That's why intraday you can go long either if it breaks this level. As soon as it breaks this level over here, for now this is the resistance level in a smaller time frame. See, it continues from here. So either it could come low, then take a reversal here, or a breakout over here. Check if it breaks out with a good trust, like with a huge volume. If it breaks out this level as well, then I think you can take this target also for tomorrow. A good move if everything goes right. Then depending on the market, right now I am not sure whether any market will go higher. This could also form a good red candle as well, but for a red candle, like I said, I'll wait till this level to close below this level. This will be my level. If it closes below that, then I can take a trade. And even if you see, I was betting on a higher side, right? If you see this pattern as well in this inverse head and shoulder, the left shoulder, the head, and right now it's halfway through the right shoulder. So tomorrow if there is a good gap up, then you can expect a good up move as well. That's why. Then we have State Bank of India. State Bank of India as well. It's a symmetrical triangle, something like this. When it forms in only 2 days of trading, if it forms something like this, usually it will give a breakout then go sideways. So make sure you exit as soon as you realize that is happening. But it could hit your target in the first candle itself. So on a higher side you can take around 1.4% target. On a lower side you can take 1.9%. It will give breakout around 1.4% after getting a confirmation somewhere over here. 1.5% you can take the target. So intraday, let's hope we get a target in the State Bank of India as well. Then we have BPCL. Okay, BPCL. Because of this range, it used to be a support here. It broke out. Right now it's a resistance zone. So either it breaks out tomorrow or takes resistance again and falls tomorrow. You just have to see whether it breaks out or falls. So on a higher side you will get minimum of 1% over here, first target. I don't think it will go much higher than that, or else you could go higher till here, but here there will be some profit booking. So let's see. Then second, you can go like same thing like yesterday's or today's. You will get 2% fall. You can expect a good fall from there. You can find a reversal maybe, so you can take a double bottom pattern as well. So if it reverses over here, then buy. You can't hope for a full target, but you can expect a half target of 1.3% at least. That's still 1.1% more. Okay, then we have Bharat Forge. Why Bharat Forge? Same thing. I don't think I can expect this one. Just ignore. No, this could be a bit tricky. Then we have sale as well. It's in the same thing. It's in that support and resistance region. So let's see whether it breaks out on the higher side or falls down on the lower side. Okay, these are not there in my stock selections. Then we have Tata Power. Even Tata Power, it's the same situation, support and resistance. If it breaks the support, take a target here. This is the first target of 1.5%, good target. Downside, still 2% target. You can expect a down move tomorrow also after going up. You can expect one more shoulder to form. If you see head and shoulders about to form, if it could form one more shoulder here, then go up. So on a 15-minute time frame, keep checking whether it's false breakout or not. It could look like a breakout till here. If your candle is going, it could act like a breakout, then it might fall. So be careful there as well. Then we have HDFC. Okay, HDFC, there was an inverse head and shoulders from yesterday's chart pattern, but right now you can just think of this as a resistance zone. Either it breaks out or takes resistance again. So in case the market goes up in the first half tomorrow and it's not crossing this level, then you can take a reversal trade in this region. It has already shown many reversal opportunities. But problem in HDFC is you won't get that 1% move. So for now, just look at it. If you find anything interesting, you can take a trade according to your strategies. I am not telling there's any possibilities. This is just selections for tomorrow. Then we have L&T. This is one of the possibilities which I'm looking for. In case if it falls down to this level, I'm hoping for a double bottom and inverse and head and shoulders as well in this range. If I draw a line here, you can see here it was acting like support, then it's acting like resistance as well. So there's a possibility that it can come down a little bit or form a double bottom or form one more shoulder and then go up. So you can either take a trade anywhere over here as a reversal in this region, or you can just short it if it falls down. But in case if it breaks out in the first half itself, you can go long and get 1.2%. Rest is up to you. Okay, then last one will be Torrent Power. Not much stocks today. It's better to keep less stocks. Okay, Torrent Power already gave one false breakout and then fell down. Right now it's in resistance zone. Here as well you can see head and inverse head and shoulders. But right now if you see, this is one range you shouldn't trade in. If you can reduce this range as well. This range is somewhat like a profit booking zone, so you can either expect a up move tomorrow because it had a huge fall on that day. See this I had prepared for this pattern to break out, but sadly it broke out in the opening price itself. Then there was a support region here, then in the first 5 minutes it just fell down, so I couldn't really enter in any position at all. You could have entered guessing, but what if it reverses at one moment? Where will you keep your stop loss? That's a problem. So this is one thing. It could move up till this region if it gives a strong breakout, but let's see what happens. You can just keep an eye on it. So that's all for today. I think I'll make a video on when the market could go have a good correction soon. So for now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, etc. And good night.